Hey, how you guys doing? I'm here to fix the lock.
Feel free to take one of these after you eat.
Thanks, man.
You're the pro, dude. You
Yeah.
tell me.
You have a dog?
Yeah. You believe it? Take me around and
Yeah.
point out some goodies.
All right, yeah. What are we working with here?
150.
150. Here's like the hidden gems of the case. The Terrace Major Cut. Denver steaks is like a breakfast style steak. Chuck eyes are the closest thing you're going to get to ribeye without paying ribeye prices. Our short ribs are like through the roof good. Okay.